Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. This is my May 2023 VIP Club card kit. So for all of my VIPs, this is the card kit you will be receiving in the mail. If you'd like to learn more about becoming a Close to My Heart VIP and signing up under me here in the United States, you just go to barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com and click on the VIP tab to learn all about it. There will be a link in the description of the video. So, this is the card. This is using the Cosette paper. I think that's really pretty. I don't think all the card kits are the same, but I think the paper all comes from Cosette. But I may be wrong. Let's take a peek. Oh no, some of the paper is actually, let me see. Boy, you'd think I'd be more prepared. Storybook. I pulled in some Storybook. The card bases were gifted to me. They're meant to be used with a Cricut Joy, and I don't have a Cricut Joy, so I thought rather than let them go to waste, I'm going to find other ways to use them up. Your kit will include this Hello Friend sentiment stamped on one of these little scallopy bracket deals. This is the stamp set that I used. It was a special a couple months ago. It's called Sending Paper Hugs. So it says Hello Friend. That will come pre-stamped. This was a 3x4 piece of pattern paper, and then I cut it at the diagonal. And this is the back side of the paper. So it's just the two sides of the paper. And again, I did this way and cut them in half diagonally. Card base. This little panel is, let's do a measure here, 3 by 5.5. And I am going to take a moment to just do a quick little mark. Let's see here. So 5.5 would be 2 3/4. So I want to give just a little mark there at the 2 3/4 mark. You may or may not want to do this. It may or may not matter to you, but that gives you your middle point, so that when you start laying out your papers, you're good to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting some adhesive on my little triangle, and I'm going to line it up on those two little tick marks that I made. And yes, once you get the first one down, the rest goes pretty quick, and you can use whatever adhesive you like. I'm going to take the other pattern now, and I'm going to butt it up. A little tip: when you're doing this first pattern, watch the direction that goes. That will make a difference. Not all the pattern papers will have a directionality to them, but the Cosette ones definitely do. Then I'm going to put this one over here, so we're alternating. And for this, I'm going to put my adhesive right on that white panel, and it's going to hang off the edge. And that's okay, because we're just going to take our scissors and do a little trimmeroo. And here we go. So we've got that going on. Flip it over and take your scissors and trim that out. Okay, that's done. That's what that panel looks like. I'm going to throw a little adhesive on the back of the panel. And this is going on the top edge. So you want the fold up. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to flip it over. And I'm doing it upside down. But you do it however it's easiest for you to line it up. I like to get it on the tabletop. I am going to take a pen and I'm going to write a little line on here. Personal preference. You do not have to do that. Then we have our little hello friend. And that gets lined up. There's a little peak here that gets lined up with this center line, and then I eyeball line up about the middle of that little lump on the edge. Stick it down, stick your sentiment. You can pop that up if that's more to your liking. That's an easy way to do it too. I just wanted to keep it simple. And that's it. That is the May 2023 VIP Club card kit for my VIPs at barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day. And thanks for watching.